Hi everybody, this is Bonnie from Arts and Culture Collaborative, and I want to help you with starting the process of making a Zoom call and either hosting a meeting or joining a meeting. So we're going to go over all of that. So to start with, to get onto Zoom or to start a Zoom account, you're going to go zoom.us, and that is their URL, and it's going to give you the opportunity to sign up for free. Now, their plans vary, but if you as an organization want to have meetings with your staff or colleagues, friends, you can have 45-minute Zoom calls for free. So for right now, I'm going to show you how I'm going to enter the ACC up. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up for free. And it just says, welcome, confirm your email to get started. And that is my email at the Arts and Culture Collaborative. So I'm going to confirm that. And they're going to send me an email to Waterbury Region Arts that I have to make sure, and there it is. And so I'm going to click on the confirmation link that they emailed me to begin Zoom. So I did get the email from Zoom, so I'm going to go ahead and click this button for Activate Account. And then they're going to ask me for some information here. They're going to ask you for a password and then to confirm your password. If you were going to be hosting a meeting right now, you can go ahead and invite your colleagues. However, I'm going to skip over that step for now. If you want, you can stop here and then watch the video on joining a meeting, but I'm going to do a test meeting right now just so I can show you a few more features. So typically what happens is you'll get this box that asks if it can open the Zoom launcher. So you want to go ahead and hit that. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like when you join a meeting. And then you're going to have a choice whether or not you want to join with your computer audio or your test speaker and microphone. So I would recommend using your computer audio. The only thing is if it's going to be loud in the area that you are in, you might want to use headphones or even an earpiece. You have a couple of selections here before you start the meeting. Actually, it's acting as though I'm in a meeting right now. That's why it says that I'm talking. But if you wanted to have video, you can see that there I am on video right now. You can stop the video and it would just have your name. You can mute. So if you are in an area that's got some noise and you don't have headphones, then you can mute it. And there's a couple other things that you can do here. You can share your screen. You can start a chat. So if you have something to say to somebody that's in the meeting and you don't want to interrupt the flow of the meeting, you can send a chat and it will just open a box and it'll ask if you want to send it to everyone or just a certain person in the meeting, and then their name would come up and you can select it. You can also send files or send links through the chat. One of my favorite features about Zoom in particular is that you can share your computer screen. You can see each other, but you can also show each other work or files that you have on your computer. It could be anything. So when you're sharing your screen, you're actually going to get an option of what windows you already have open. So what you'll want to do is if you're going to have certain things open, like let's say I was going to do a PowerPoint presentation, I would already have that open and it would show up in this box. And then I could click through the presentation as I would normally. But right now what it's showing me is the screen that I have on right now. It's giving me a whiteboard, an iPhone or an iPad screen, Zoom Cloud Meetings, Camtasia Studio, which is what I have open right now to record this, the recording button, and Launch Meeting Zoom. So basically anything that I have in the window right now opened, you can't see the bottom of my screen, but these are all the things that are open on my computer. So that's my one big tip to you is if you are going to have a meeting and you want to show something, have that open before you start your meeting. Then what it's going to look like if you decide to share your screen. So here, I'll show the launch meeting, and then it would switch the screen over, and you've got some more options along the top. You're probably able to just see enough of them. If I keep my cursor up to the top, you've got annotate, pause and share, new share. This would tell you how many participants are in your meeting. And again, you could stop the video if you wanted to. Like maybe if you got a call and something came up on your screen and you needed to stop. This is your meeting ID number, and this is stop share. So when you're done sharing and you don't want to share that anymore, you can hit stop share. Practice it with somebody before you actually have a meeting to host or to join, so you feel a little bit more comfortable with it. And if you do have a meeting, it's always a good idea to get on there a few minutes early, just in case you do have computer issues and you maybe have to restart or something. When you're done, oops, sorry, didn't mean to open that up, but that's how you would invite others through email, or you can copy the URL and then go ahead and email them. Is that you would just go down here and end meeting. I actually see something now that I didn't see before that I wanted to mention to you. There is a record function, but that can only be done by the host of the meeting. So if you are hosting a meeting and you want to record it, it will record everything, including the group chats. I hope this was helpful, and I'm going to end the meeting. I'm going to end it for all if I'm the host, and unless people are still talking on there, but I'm going to hit end for all for my test meeting and just showing you what it looks like. I hope that helped, and I will make another video on joining a meeting and how to invite people to meetings, so that if you need to figure out how to do that, you can watch those videos. Thanks a lot for joining us, and we look forward to Zooming with you soon.